Boy, we had a heck of a storm blow up this evening. It come out of nowhere. It was raining a little bit. It didn't thunder or anything. And all of a sudden the wind come through. It uprooted this walnut tree here in the chicken yard. Hopefully there ain't no chickens under it. And then beans still look all right. But on over there, you can see it blowed all the corn down, whipped the squash and cucumbers. We'll leave it alone. Maybe the corn will stand up. They're giving more flash flood warning here this evening now. But nope, I got the goats up there in the upper field fenced off now to where I can go check the fence up there after a while. Well, we'll see. I'll go check the radar out. Like I said, this just blowed up out of nowhere. I've done went and picked the limbs up as in the road in front of the house. But the wind was coming from like 3 different directions. I don't know how to explain it. You can see it whipped the onions, blowed them pretty good too. Like I said, the wind was like it's coming 3 different directions. You had wind coming this way, coming from the right over here to us, and then also the left. Yeah, it whipped the cucumbers and squash pretty good. Where was you at, Mama Cat, when all this was going down? There you can see the corn blowed up here. Luckily that other was still short enough to where it didn't really hurt it. Got to get back in, get the weeds out of that again. Piece of metal come from somewhere. I'll have to figure out where that come from. Might as well do a garden tour while we're at it. Here's the tomatoes. You can see it whipped them pretty good. And then as soon as it passed, the sun's back out. And down here's the squash. It blowed a little bit of the short corn down. It did on down this lower section. Like I said, I got the fence off or closed off for the goats where they can't get up through there. I'm sure we've probably got more trees down. Oh, I see a tomato ready to pick. Alrighty folks, this ain't really the video I had planned for today, but this is what we'll go with. Didn't know we was going to have storm damage. It whooped up on the pumpkins over there some also. Now I'm going to get in here and start working on this tree, trying to get it up without tearing the rest of the fence down. We'll have to get these tomatoes stood back up. Like I said, always something to do. Come on, Dixie. Little Dixie there, she ain't been feeling well. She's been eating her some grass.
Yeah.
Look out!
I'm getting ready to rip the woodshed up. Problem.
Hmm. not a good sound when you're cutting a tree. Come here, Dixie. Dixie's a little worried about her daddy over there.
Dixie said she wasn't planning on this being her Saturday evening thing. I wasn't either, Dixie. You either, Garfield? we can get the fence back up for now. But nope, hadn't even heard anything about any bad storms or anything there. And then about 5 minutes after it come through, Mom's weather radio went off. She called over, said flood warning in effect. So I don't know, we ain't had a chance to check the radar. Once we come out and seen this, we started working on this. First thing I done, counted all the goats up there, make sure they was okay. And then I closed them off where they couldn't get off up through there. And Carolyn got hers over, closed them off where they couldn't go on over. I'll be out with you in just a minute, Dixie. And this is the way we'll leave it for the time being. I'll have to get in here and get all this cleaned up out of here. Nope. Like I said, it is covered in black walnuts, and I think that helped contribute, besides the wind, to it falling over. It's just so top heavy with all the walnuts. You can see them laying on the ground there. Alrighty, folks. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Stay safe. If any more storms roll through and any more damage, I'll show you what it's done. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Thank you for watching.